Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to install Windows 11 version 2 for H2. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, you will need a Windows 11 to 4H2 installation media, such as a Windows 11 to 4H2 bootable USB drive. Our video on how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive with Rufus might be helpful. The link is in the description below. Second, you will need to insert the USB drive into the computer, then restart the PC, and access the BIOS or UEFI. Adjust the boot priority to boot from the USB drive, or you can enter the boot menu and boot from the USB drive directly. Our video on how to boot from a USB flash drive might help you. The link is in the description below. If you see the press any key to boot screen, press enter. Now, in the Windows setup screen, you can choose the time and currency format. Then click on Next, and the keyboard or input method. Then click on Next. Alternatively, you can leave the default values and click on Next. Then check the I agree everything will be deleted box and click on Next. Here, if you have a product key, enter it and click on Next. If you don't have a product key, leave the field blank and click on I don't have a product key. Then select the Windows version you want to install, Home, Pro, etc., and click on Next. Now, click on Accept, and here, you need to select where you want to install Windows. You might have a few drive options like Drive 0, Drive 1, etc., based on how many storage drives you have connected to the system. If you have a brand new drive, or even a system, the drive will show as unallocated space. Just make sure to select the right drive, where you want Windows to be installed, then click on Next. If you are reinstalling Windows, you will see the Windows drive with its partitions, like Drive 0 Partition 1, Drive 0 Partition 2, etc., also known as System Partition, MS or Partition, Primary Partition, Recovery Partition. To do a fresh install of Windows, select every partition mentioned and click on Delete. This will show the space as unallocated space. Select the right drive, where you want Windows to be installed, then click on Next, then click on Install. Wait until the installation finishes. The system will restart automatically, and the screen might flash black during the process, so don't worry about it. Now, in the out-of-box experience screen, choose your country then click on Yes. Choose your keyboard layout then click on Yes. You can add another layout or click on Skip. Here, type a name for your device, and click on Next then the system will restart. Or you can skip it. Then choose Setup for personal use and click on Next. Now, if you want to disable BitLocker automatic device encryption, press the Shift key plus F10 to open the command prompt and type regedit, then hit Enter to open the registry editor, and navigate to then right-click here and choose DWORD 32-bit value, and name it PreventISO encryption, then double-click on it, and change the data value to 1 and click on OK. Then go ahead and close the registry editor and command prompt. Then you can sign in with your Microsoft account if you want to, or you can bypass Microsoft Online account, and create an offline account, also known as a local account, by pressing the Shift key plus F10 to open the command prompt and typing ncpa.cpl, then hitting Enter. This will open the network connections. Right-click the Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection, and click on Disable to disconnect the PC from the internet. Then type OOBE/bypass NRO and hit Enter. The PC will restart. Choose the country and keyboard layout again, and you will see a new option appear. I don't have internet. Click on it. Then click on Continue with limited setup if it appears. Then type a name for your account, and click on Next. You can enter a password for your account, or leave it blank and click on Next. Here, disable everything for privacy reasons and click on Accept. Finally, from the Windows desktop, press the Windows key plus R to open Run. Then type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. This will open the network connections. Right-click the Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection, and click on Enable to connect the PC to the internet. Lastly, if you didn't disable BitLocker automatic device encryption from the registry editor, and want to, press the Windows key plus I to open Settings. Click on Privacy and Security, then click on Device Encryption and disable it, and wait until the decryption finishes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.